Have you ever made a mistake in Google Sheets and didn't know how to fix it quickly? Don't worry, it happens to everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to undo mistakes fast, plus a few real examples so you can follow along easily. Let's start with the most basic method, the undo button. If you look at the top left corner of your screen, that's your undo button. Simply click it and your last action will be reversed instantly. But as you can see right underneath it, we have a faster way on how we can do this, which is with our keyboard shortcut. If you're using Windows, just press Ctrl-Z, which you can see right here. Or if you're a Mac user, press Command-Z. This is the quickest way to undo anything, especially if you're working fast. Now let's do an example. Say you accidentally deleted a row of data. Instead of trying to recreate everything, just click on the undo button right here, or press Ctrl-Z on your keyboard. And there you have it. Your deleted row comes right back. Here's another example. Imagine you changed the formula by mistake. So in this formula, I have the reference to this side instead of this side. What I'm going to do is to hit Ctrl-Z on my keyboard or click on the undo button right here. Either way, it will undo that mistake or that step. Now, what if you made multiple mistakes? Good news, you can undo more than once. Just keep on pressing on the undo button or, again, your keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-Z or Command-Z, and Google Sheets will go back step by step through your recent actions. And there you have it. But what if you've undone too much? No problem. You can also use the redo button, which is just right next to our undo button. So if I wanted to redo a step, I'm just going to click on this. Here we have it. And here's a pro tip. Google Sheets keeps a version history. So if you made a mistake earlier, you can go to File, select Version History, and here we can restore an older version of our spreadsheet. So just select that and then select Restore this version right here. So to recap everything, use the undo button or the Ctrl-Z for quick fixes. You can also click on the redo button if needed. And for bigger issues, check your version history. And that's it. Now you can fix mistakes in seconds and keep your workflow smooth and stress-free. But if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.